What's good, everybody? This is your girl Quilt. Today is day 12 of the 30-day sewing challenge, and right now I try to organize my scraps and it wasn't so easy, but I realized that sometimes you have to look at it to get inspiration. Like, I love this psychedelic print right here. We can, I don't know, let's go dark and add some reds. No, that's a jersey material. How about we do the purple? Let's do the purple. I don't know. There's so much here that I have to deal with. It's so much material. So we already got the reds. We got the psychedelic and the purple. This is perfect. Okay. We can also add this red strip right here. Wow. There's so much stuff to choose from. I don't want nothing. I just want it on the dark side. So we have the New York City subway map, which I always love. We have some cityscapes right here. We have it like a daylight, and then we have it like a nighttime. I think that's kind of cool. And then we have the Grand Central Station, this, okay? So let's start getting these pieces together and just because. All right, there's not going to be any talking, it's just sewing. So as it goes, you're going to see it. I love you all, and thank you so much for watching. You know, ladies and gentlemen, somebody made a comment about not having an iron and just sewing down the seams. I like sewing down the seams, but I think that having a small iron and an ironing board, because I've seen them, a small square, like I believe they have it a 10 by 10, I believe it's in Joann's or somewhere, and a small iron would help. So it's just something to think about. know what I find is that when you're quilting longer pieces, it takes a tad bit longer. I noticed that the time gets a little bit more lengthier, which is okay for me. We just keep sewing. Okay, so I ran out of bobbin, so that's perfect because guess what? I have a filled bobbin right here. Okay, so make sure that you roll your you fill your bobbins and get ready. Yep. Have your bobbins ready and filled. So everything I just did now went to waste. Please, unless you have a license, do not speed like I do. This is not like that soca song, follow the leader, leader. No, we don't want to follow the leader like that. And you can smell the motor, so you know, that's not cool. So this is what I have. And we're going to end the video right now. I still have some other strips, but this is what I have. Just sewing along, and look at that. It looks like New York City downtown. With that being said, thank you so much for watching this video and being patient. I love you all. And day 12. Look at that. It's like nighttime in the city.